Hi, my name's Guy Springett. I'm from Blueberries. We are a fruit farm in Wrexham County, and we primarily grow fresh blueberries, and originally they were for the fresh market. However, in the last year we have taken that fruit off the shelves and created an added value product, actually 10 products in total, and are now selling nationwide throughout Wales and the UK. And this has a lot to do with the help that Cywain have given us. We have 10 products in total. We have 2 syrups, 2 savoury sauces, 3 salad dressings, 2 of which are sugar-free. We also have 3 drinks mixes, a mulled wine mix, summer punch and a cassis for white wines and champagnes. They're all very distinctive in flavour, and currently they're very unique to us and to Wales. We were introduced to Cywain just over a year ago now. What they did for us was direct us towards getting our product food trialled, our best before dates, that sort of thing. And that was done at the Food Technology Centre in Llangefni. So they introduced us to those wonderful people as well. Well, we think we've come a long way in the last year. The next 5 years looks like a very long time away, but what we really want to do is to increase our nationwide outlets for Blue, and also go or try out the international market as well.